Almost 20,000 students have so far passed out from this institution. Now we have almost 14 faculties, means almost 7 more new faculties we have been given by the government, and that includes agriculture, a very important faculty, that includes the veterinary sciences and law and such other many faculties which we will do, health sciences, medicine, dentistry. These faculties would be the task. So it's a very big task coming ahead, inshallah. Congratulations to all the graduates. Of course, you will be getting your degrees and gold medals today.
This is a day of recognition and new beginning for a lot of us, particularly the people who are graduating with us. On behalf of the entire University of Southern Punjab family that become family, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to our graduates, their parents and their loved ones who have played an instrumental role in supporting and guiding them to this remarkable milestone. Each of our graduates has a unique story of success, and we are proud to have been a part of their journey. Let's clap for all the graduates with full energy. Dear graduates, this convocation is not just a ceremony, but a recognition of your perseverance, dedication, and relentless effort to achieve academic excellence. Each one of you has faced challenges. Of course, graduates can clap if they like. This is their day. I don't have any problem. You are now stepping into a world of opportunity where your knowledge, skills, and values will define your success. Always remember that education is not merely about acquiring degree, but about applying knowledge to improve society and contribute positively to the world around you.
I would like to congratulate all the students, the parents, the faculty of ISP, ex-ISP and now Alhamdulillah University of Southern Punjab. लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा जो मेरी नज़र में मुबारकबाद के मुस्तहिक हैं वो प्राउड पेरेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने मेहनत की है अपने बच्चों के ऊपर और आज इतना अच्छा दिन देखने को मिला है उनको. फॉर मी graduation day is the most memorable day of my life. मुझे आज भी याद है जिस दिन मैं ग्रेजुएट हुआ था और मेरे वालिदैन मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी आए थे लंदन में, तो it was one of the best days of my life, and I would once again like to congratulate all the students.